It's exactly 35 seconds into this video, and if you've watched to this point, just know I'm excited to have you. I promise you, this is a safe place where you can just relax just by watching my vlogs. Okay, welcome to my channel. My name is B, and this is the Bee's Hive. Please subscribe to this channel. This is my first video, so I'm really excited, and I'll be so honored to have you subscribe to this video. Also, leave a comment telling me you just subscribed, and I'll be right there to give you a warm hug. Okay, so as you can see in this video, I am currently preparing to go on a trip for the holidays, and I just got done with searching for a nice resort location and booking my flight. Now I'm about to take a shower and take off. So as you can see on the video, I just arrived at my destination, and I'm going to head to the arrivals section of the airport. I first have to take some photos, now, pictures, some more pictures, and some more pictures. Yes. Okay. So now I'm headed to my resort's location, okay, for my vacation, and I just got there. This is the entrance. This is what the view looks like from the outside. It's so beautiful, guys. Trust me, this video did not do justice to how beautiful this place looks. It's so reserved, so quiet, so private, just the way I love it. Okay, so I'm headed towards the door right now. So guys, this is my room. Wow, like I am so impressed with what I see here right now. My God, like it was so cozy, just the way I wanted it to be. So relaxing. Oh my God, and it even has Netflix. That is Netflix, guys. And I was particularly attracted to this wardrobe. Like, just take a look. Look at the details. Look at the details. So fine, so luxurious. I had to make like a close view video for you guys. Like, I was just admiring it. It was so beautiful. I mean, this place is nice. It's lovely. That's the wardrobe. I just want to show you guys what the inside look like. Okay, I'm so loving it. I just wish it feels like I should just stay here forever. Am I now a Disney princess? I feel like a Disney princess actually. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. Okay, looks beautiful. I just love this hanger. Okay, so yeah, this is what the place looks like. And yeah, of course, I feel like a Disney princess right now. Oh, oh, oh. I just can't wait to chill, to relax. Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Wow! Yes. You can see how excited I look, right? And I can't wait to have some fun. I can't wait to have some fun. Yes, girl. My holiday has just started, guys, and I'm actually documenting the 12th day of Christmas, and this is the second day of Christmas. So right now I'm trying to show you, I was just fascinated by this magnetic hook curtain. What is it, curtain holder? I really don't know what's call it. You know that thing they normally hang like nailed to the side of the wall for you to hang your curtains? Well, this is an improvised version, or should I say, modern day edition. So you don't have to nail anything to the wall. This is magnetic. You just pull the curtains together, and it just holds it together with a magnet. Okay, I was trying to do it here, but I couldn't get it. It just kept falling down. But I'm going to show you guys a close view of how it works. Okay. Yeah, so I tried this and it didn't work. So just this is what it looks like. You're supposed to pull the curtains together and just make them come in there and then close it together like this. It's so beautiful, so fascinating. I just had to show you guys. Sorry. Yes, my favorite part of my holiday is here, dinner. Just look at this salad. It was so yummy. So this is pepper soup, golden pepper soup with boiled plantain, and of course I had a glass of fresh juice. Okay, so I'm about to relax for the night, as you can see, and I would relax with a TV with it. Oh my god, that's a TV. I'll relax with a movie